Hello everyone, I am Dr. Richapal, infertility specialist and laparoscopic surgeon practicing in Surat. So when I was doing my fellowship in infertility, my mentor told me about this regenerative medicine fellowship. He told because that is a upcoming branch and we face lot of issues with the women who are having low AMH or thin endometrium. So in those women, this PRP and stem cell, this works like wonder. So like this I came in contact, and then I decided for my fellowship, and I enrolled here for 1 year fellowship for cosmetic gynecology and regenerative medicine in infertility. When we came here, first of all I would like to thank Dr. Prabhu Mishra, Dr. Nidhi and Dr. Poonam. Their hospitality is really great. They just made us feel like a family, and they were really helpful. Regarding this training program, so I have got to learn a lot of new things which were really untouched. I have got to learn about different kinds of laser, what's the principle behind them, what's the how a radio frequency probe works, and then what is the carboxytherapy, Botox, regarding fillers. I think almost all aspects of the cosmetic gynecology have been touched. We got really good hands-on. We got hands-on for how to prepare a stem cells, what are the principles, what are the protocols we have to follow, what are the guidelines which are there, and then regarding fat grafting, how we should prepare a fat graft, how we should retrieve it, how we should prepare it, and where are the points where should we do. Regarding everything, all aspects of the cosmetic gynecology and regenerative part have been covered, and I'm really very blessed. Like, I came here, I met lot of new friends, so I really enjoyed the course, and I hope with all these teachings and learnings I'll work for the betterment of the mankind. Thank you.